Celebrating Teachers' Day at school is one of the finest memories from the school days. With no doubt, we can say everyone will agree with it. Beginning to prepare to surprise our teachers with all the decorations along with elaborate plays, essays, and speeches is an event that leaves a mark in the memory. During the course of time, Teachers' Day celebration has changed, and for the kids now it will be a chance to make a beautiful memories for a lifetime. The countdown for the much awaited day, the Teachers' Day for students and teachers, has begun. As the days are approaching, students are excited about the preparations for the day. A very prominent part of the Teachers' Day celebration is the speech. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It's a day filled with lots of excitement, joy, and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It's my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and well-being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire to become better people. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of you will use to provide back into this society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you, everyone.